What's up mga kabarkadahan? Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, I give you idea what is the meaning of blue bagatas. You know blue bagatas guys? Blue bagatas is a responsibilities of driver. Checking your engine, your car before you go. So the meaning of blue bagatas guys, letter B, battery. Letter L, light. Letter O, oil. Letter W guys, water. Letter B again, brake. Letter A, air. Letter G, gas. Letter A again, accessories. Letter T, tire. Letter A again, aircon. Letter S, steering. But don't forget guys, bring your tools before you go. So guys, that is the meaning of blue bagatas. Blue bagatas guys is you need before you go or before you start the engine. Because the blue bagatas guys is the way of safety your car, your engine in your trip. So guys, you need this. If you driver, you need this. Don't forget this because this blue bagatas is for you before you start the engine and before you go. So guys, thank you very much. I hope you understand my explanation what is the blue bagatas. If you have any question guys, I'm here to answer you. Don't forget guys, I can help you. What is your need? What do you want about your car? What is the trouble your car guys? Don't forget me. I give you idea anytime. Thank you very much guys, and God bless to all.